Alright, show me. Whoa! Okay. Here it comes again. Set it up and hit it again. Just like Daddy showed you. Alright, good one. Try again. Uh-oh. Set it up and do it again. No, that's pointing towards the house. You gotta point it out that way.
How?
Wait, wait, wait. Good shot. Do it again.
My squeak did.
Right.
There's my squeak did.
Oh, big miss.
Big miss.
Oh, right at Daddy's knee. Good shot. That hit me on the knee.
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you.
I'll have to take you to the doctor.
Yeah, you have to take me to the doctor to get my knee fixed. Yep. No, it's not broken. I'll be okay.
You will be okay.
Yeah. Wow!
That wasn't hard. That was a good one.
That was a good one. So Matthew, how'd you feel out there? How'd your swing look?
What?
Hey, I'm trying to interview you. Oh, you going to get the ball?
Yeah.
How's it feel out there? You got a good swing today?
I'm gonna show it how you do things.
Okay. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, go. Whoa, big shot. You're getting good at this. We're going to sign you up for T-ball. You want to play T-ball?
Yeah.
All right. Now when you hit it, run this time.
Hit, run this
Yep.
time.
Hit it and then run. Go, 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 go.
You hit it and run.
Oh, you want me to hit it? All right, give me the bat. You wanna hold the camera?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And take a picture.
All right. Hold on. Point it at Daddy. Okay. Now watch. Put it at the ball. Point the camera at the ball. Stand back a little bit. Keep going. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Whoa!
All right.
I'm gonna take you a picture.
Good.